One sunny morning, Ella the elephant and Milo the mouse were buzzing with excitement. They had been waiting all year for their summer holiday by the sea, and the day had finally arrived. "Ella, are you ready for our big adventure?" Milo squeaked, hopping up and down with joy. "I can't wait, Milo. Let's pack our bags and go," Ella replied, her eyes sparkling with enthusiasm. After packing their favorite snacks, peanut butter sandwiches, fresh fruit, and some crunchy nuts, they set off to the beach. The journey was filled with laughter and chatter as they traveled through the lush green forest, and soon the sound of waves crashing against the shore filled their ears. When they arrived at the seaside, they could hardly believe their eyes. The sandy beach stretched out before them, glistening under the bright sun, and the sparkling blue water seemed to invite them in. "Wow, look at the sea, Ella. It's so beautiful," Milo exclaimed, running toward the water's edge. Ella sonrió y lo siguió. "Let's build the biggest sandcastle ever." With that, the two friends set to work. They dug, piled, and shaped the sand into a grand castle, complete with towers and a moat. Ella used her big trunk to gather water from the sea, while Milo scurried around, decorating the castle with colorful seashells and seaweed. After hours of hard work, their sandcastle stood tall and proud. They stepped back to admire their creation. "It's perfect," Milo said, beaming with pride. Just then, a playful wave rushed up the beach, splashing against the sandcastle. "Oh no!" Ella lloró mientras la ola lavó una parte de su obra maestra. Milo frowned but then smiled brightly. "Let's make it even bigger. We can rebuild it together." So they got back to work, laughing and splashing in the water as they built their new sandcastle even higher. As the sun began to set, the sky turned shades of pink and orange, creating a magical backdrop for their beach day. Feeling hungry after all their hard work, they settled down for a picnic right on the beach. They shared their snacks and watched as the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky with brilliant colors. "This is the best summer holiday ever, Milo," Ella said, contentedly munching on her sandwich. Milo nodded, his eyes sparkling. "I can't wait for more adventures tomorrow." That night, they camped on the beach under the stars. Ella used her trunk to create a cozy spot for them on the sand, and they snuggled up together. The gentle sound of the waves and the cool breeze made it the perfect end to a perfect day. "Good night, Ella," Milo said sleepily. "Good night, Milo," Ella replied, closing her eyes with a smile, dreaming of all the adventures yet to come during their seaside holiday.